Welcome to the tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, we will be making our very first sketch. From this video, we start designing in SolidWorks. After watching this video, you will be able to draw your own sketch and give relations to it. Now, as we start, you can see in the part 3, there are 3 planes, front plane, top plane and right plane. These planes you can also consider as X plane, Y plane or Z planes. And then there is this origin. Origin is nothing but the 0, 0 point according mathematics as you have been taught of this workspace. Now we start by selecting one plane. The selection of the plane totally depends on the orientation of your model. So according to the orientation, you choose the planes. So if you want to draw some base, you choose the top plane. So suppose we want to choose top plane now. When you click on the top plane, there is this icon. The first icon with sketch. When you click on that icon, the sketch, your sketching interface opens up. Now, as you can see on this menu, sketch tools and different other features have been activated. So now you can see this smart dimension, line, rectangle, slot, circle, arc, ellipse, fillet, convert entities, and the other lots of stuffs. We'll be discussing about these in our further tutorial. So now we select the line tool, and now when you hover it around the origin, the SolidWorks shows you markings as it is a user-friendly software, and it helps you put the point according to the uh, origin point or the point when you hover around other lines to make some relations. Now, when we start by clicking on the origin, put a line. To draw a line, the digits which are being shown are shown there, nothing but the length of the line, which is really helpful because when you draw a line, you might draw it short or long, and rather than changing it later on, you can just draw it along the length approximately to that points. Now, as you see, when you place the line at a point, the line tool is still activated, and you can still draw the lines from that point itself if you want to. But to come out of this, if you don't want to use the line tool anymore, to come out of this line tool, you just press escape button on the keyboard or right click and select. Now you are out of your line tool. So see, when you hover around this workspace, you see some coordinates in the bottom side of this SolidWorks like this. So these are the coordinates of the points on this workspace. So when you go to the origin point, it's the 0, 0 point and further on. Now we again select the line tool and we draw a line. So the vertical line which you see beside the pencil is nothing but the relation that the line is in the 90-degree. So now also if see the other relations, when you put this is exactly on the point. Then when you hover around on the line, you see a midpoint relation. And when you go here, you see the same point relation. Then you put it on the midpoint and then see. You can draw another line as I told you earlier. Now see, the other relation which we can see is this perpendicular relation. Perpendicular relation is nothing but the line you will draw is perpendicular to the line or the point you had selected previously. Now you drop it. So now you see the three relations here. One is the perpendicular relation, one is the midpoint relation, and this is the intersection relation here. So this is all visible by this. You can see this eye icon here. When you press it, now this is the option which tells view sketch relations. If you turn it off, you won't be able to view the relations of in between the lines or sketch in your sketch. When you turn it on, you can see the relations. And then you go back. Now you can also delete these relations very easily. Now if you want to delete this midpoint relation, you can just click on it and press delete. See, now if you try to move this line, it moves like this, right? Now I put it back to the midpoint relation. See, now if I try to move this, it all moves together. The whole sketch moves together. Now we drop it on the previous location. as you want. This is all for this video. So do check out the description for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.